Here I have TCL 20L, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the security section, to the apps section, then go to the special app access, then install unknown apps. Here you can see the whole list of apps through which you can install unknown apps. Let's pick for example Chrome, and then just tap allow from this source. And now you can install unknown apps through the Google Chrome as much as you want. You can do the same thing to the other apps from this list and install unknown apps through them. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.